A cute monkey stands in the school playground holding an empty hand and looking worried. Monkey checks under the slide and looks confused. Monkey runs to the classroom and looks inside. Monkey opens his desk and feels sad. A monkey friend points toward the tree. Monkey looks up and smiles. The school bag is hanging on a tree branch. Monkey jumps happily to grab it. Teacher monkey claps and smiles. Monkey hugs his bag and feels proud.